Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so we're looking at this gorgeous apartment here, the Hanover Buffalo Bayou. This is the F floor plan. It's beautiful. It's about 768 square feet roughly. And we're looking at how beautiful it is. I mean, this is isn't this just a delightful apartment? I love the island. I love the space under the island. And then you've got space over here on the other side with 3 bar stools. You've got some beautiful appliances, and isn't that neat how just the pantry is just all kind of tucked in there? It's just gorgeous. I love this look and feel here too. And then also I love this desk. The desk is I love the built-in like that. Behind there is also a washer dryer, by the way. Isn't this pretty? So you, of course, you've got the views. This is a high rise. You've got some fantastic views in this Buffalo Bayou area. Look at these windows, just sumptuous. You've got a really nice balcony you can enjoy anytime. Really beautiful balcony. And then we're going to peek back into the master bedroom. The bedroom is beautiful. It's got a huge king bed in here, but everything's fitting fine. You've got a nice big dresser there. You're looking out over the balcony here, and just a really nice space. And look how everything is just crisp, clean, pretty. And then of course you've got this beautiful bathroom that goes with everything. Dual sink, just gorgeous. It looks so delightful. Don't you just love it? I love it. And then the closet here too is big. Love everything about this. It's a beautiful plan. You need to come see this. First, if you're busy or you're not in town, hey, the way to see it is to do a virtual tour. We can set up that virtual tour for you like right now, even today. So send me a text and just say, hey Grant, I love this place. Let's chat. I'd love to do a virtual tour. My number is below.